Die.
Go. Okay, hey, it's Wednesday Girl plus friend
Isabel
Maddie.
from last week and Maddie.
Isabel.
Hi.
Yes, they have. But you already did. Never mind. Okay, we have to get the questions quick because my computer's being a retard. So, okay, first question. How do you tell if someone is gay?
Or bi.
Or bi? Or lesbian?
By the way they dress, by the way they act, or the way they talk.
They look or walk. I don't know. I don't know. Certain people have gaydars, which I lack a lot.
Yeah. Second question.
What do you do if you fall for a straight guy or girl for a case?
Too bad!
Too bad, does I know, just kidding. You know, tell them how you feel about them.
Head away from my face.
And like, I don't know, get
The dog
smiley.
No. Good doggy.
Like, I don't know, go and get ice cream or something.
Ah!
Yeah, that's my ex-girlfriend. I don't know if you guys knew it, but I broke up with Jersey.
And now she's dating me.
Yeah, sorry Jersey. I can't cheat on her.
My girlfriend's not here.
Yeah.
We're gonna go visit her girlfriend tonight.
Maybe. Probably not.
If she
for
can
me. Unless I can get a ride home and dinner, I doubt it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, anyways. Okay, so what do you do if you fall for a straight girl? Is just tell them how you feel, and maybe you get lucky.
Die!
Maybe not. Oh my god, we have to go now, bye!